Good morning, guys. I'm just sitting here in the great weather, applying for educations. I already applied for the first one. Now I'm eating a bit and then I'm gonna apply for some more. Just in case I don't get into the online teacher's education, I'm just applying for some other shit. But good morning, guys. My laundry has been cleaned and folded. Going back to take a shower now. Done showering. Time to apply for some more educations. Gotta make sure I get into somewhere so I can get some money. Hopefully I'll get in on the teacher's online education though. Let's see. Guys, another fruitless night. Got nothing. Yeah, a few bottles and cans. But thankfully some people at the train station told me that one of my competition had just cleared out all the garbage bins and that I might as well just leave. So I did. Guys, check it out. I've just been working on the project. We're going places. I'm getting all the outputs on here. It's taken me a bit of time to get this stuff in order because I only have a Dremel tool. I don't actually have a drill as I thought I would have. But yeah, guess what I'm eating? It's the last one. I don't have any more left after this one. Hopefully they're still for sale and I'm gonna buy some more because, man, I am broke. Let me turn this off. And, ooh, the potatoes are coming along nicely. Let's give it a bit longer. Just hanging out with Stony in voice chat.